Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Naquana, and this is Spotlight. Today, I'm joined by two of the biggest names in the world of hip-hop. Since his song, I Eat When I Want To, won American Music Award, Kasim Glitter Amir has become an overnight music sensation. His willingness to discuss his sexuality, along with his unmatched enthusiasm for life, has drawn thousands of fans and supporters all over the world. However, Glitter's rise of fame has met some resistance, especially within the hip-hop community. Archibald No Homo Moonshine claims that he is not a homophobe, yet his name speaks for itself. Archibald broke into the music scene in 2009 with his smash record, Straight Outta Baton Rouge, which sold 12 copies worldwide. Today, he will be joined with a televised interview ever, but first we are joined by Glitter, who is promoting his debut album, Taste the Rainbow. Please welcome Glitter. So, how long have you been in the rap game?
Well, I just started the rap game, so.
So you just released your first album, Taste the Rainbow. How does that feel?
It feels great. I was happy for all the great response that it received, and I'm very flattered.
Do you know how many units you sold yet, or no?
I do not know as of now. No.
Do you have any favorite artists, favorite rappers that you want to collaborate with?
I would like to collab with Kanye West, Jay-Z, Big Sean. Yes.
How did you start rapping?
Let me tell you.
How'd you get into that?
So, in 11th grade was high school. I went to Yonkers High School.
Cool.
It was creative writing class. We had to do, we had to make up stuff. So, I was hungry. And I came up with making a song about different cultural foods for the 7 days of the week.
All right, so do you want to give us a little preview,
Okay.
a line or two from the song?
On Monday, it's the Chinese food, duck sauce, soy sauce, what sauce, any sauce. But I gotta have a lot though, cause I have to. They be stingy with the sauces and I need a lot of sauces.
Don't give away too much.
Yeah.
Don't give away too much.
Okay.
You're gonna do a little performance.
Yeah, I got carried away, right?
It's cool.
A mess.
Cool. So you're gonna perform for us later on in the show, right?
Yeah, of course.
All right, cool. I heard that you had a little party for your kids.
Yes, it was a little, get together, Chuck E. Cheese's. It wasn't a big thing.
Okay. A lot of people don't know that you have a famous husband. He's in the NFL.
Yep, that's correct.
So, is that weird? Like both you guys in the spotlight?
Not for the children, because I'm not the one to spoil my children. I do give them what they want, but they have to work for it. That's right.
So, do you feel comfortable in magazines, because you're both in public eye? Does it start controversy?
The paparazzi can be annoying sometimes because I like my privacy. Not everyone needs to know my business.
So every time I get in my car, I don't know about everybody else, but I hear your song on the radio. Somebody's a little jealous about that.
You talking about No Homo?
No homo.
A mess. That boy, he don't have a life.
No?
No.
He sold 12 albums, so clearly he has a lot of time on his hands.
Yeah, his family bought that. Well, he has some nerve to try to come at me.
Yeah.
Please.
He says he's jealous of, I think he's jealous of your airplay. You think that too?
That's what it
Clearly.
has to be. Because you know what it is? I'm an out and open rapper, and I think he can't stand the fact that I'm getting so much praise.
Attention, yeah. That's typical. I interviewed him. He had some things to say about you.
And what he said about me.
We're gonna get to the interview. Welcome back to Spotlight, and I have the first televised interview with No Homo, better known as Moonshine. Where are you originally from?
Well, I hail from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I grew up in a trailer park, and it's a small little community. It's about maybe 10 or 11 show trailers. I'm not really sure. Maybe 13. And there's about 50 show people there. You know, we're an okay community.
So basically, the people in your community is the ones who bought your album?
Yeah, I'd say about 12 of them bought it. So that's about, I'd say, half the community bought my album. So, I mean, that's good record sales.
Yeah, Anyway, let me say, put it this way. Okay, I do what I gotta do, cause I gotta get done. Listen, y'all don't know what y'all missing. I eat and I eat 7 days a week, son. And yeah, I get the job done, cause I'm that all-star #1. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat when I want to. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. On Monday, it's the Chinese food. Duck sauce, soy sauce, what sauce, any sauce, yo. But I gotta have a lot though, because I have to. They be stingy with those sauces and I need all my sauces. And yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Ching chow ching name on the next day. It's Tuesday, El Marte. It's my Spanish food, rice and beans with the Poconos, you know. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Me gusta, mami, hola papi, como esta, boo? And yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. On Wednesday, it's the soul food. Fried chicken, collard greens, mac and cheese. On the side is a biscuit with a little chitlins. That got me thinking, no. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. On Thursday, it's Italian food, baked ziti, lasagna, and my pizza. Oh my, OMG, mamma mia, presto. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. On Friday, it's the junk food, SpaghettiOs with the Oreos, blue, green, red, purple, yellow, jello. Hello, yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. Yeah, I'm doing it, cause I eat what I eat when I want to. And I do what I gotta do, cause I gotta do it.